Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to do a BCM swap, and I'll be upgrading my BCM to 090, that's BCM Max, which is useful for automatic headlights and other features which I am planning to upgrade on. And then further in the video I'll be showing you how to do the process and everything. If any queries, please let me know. This wire is for LED license plate numbers. This is for the automatic headlight switch. This is to connect the headlights to the BCM. These are the new CAN lines from instrument cluster to the BCM. These are the extra pins and connectors. My new automatic headlight switch and my new BCM. As you can see, it's 090D. This is the BCM Max. You need to run the new wires from the pin number 28, 29. Before running the new wires, you need to isolate the old ones, and the new wires have to be connected in the BCM on pin number 54 and 57. First orange wire, this pin is the 28 pin, and this is the 29. You need to remove this with the pin removal tool. It's easy. You just need to press this tab and pull the wire. It will come out easily. As you can see, I've removed the pin number 28 and 29. You need to cover this pin and isolate this wire properly so that it doesn't short, and you need to put the new wire. You need to connect the black wire in the pin number 28 and the yellow wire in pin number 29. I'll show you after I've done inserting the pins. This is how it will look once you have inserted the pin. Then you need to route this wire to the BCM. Before that, you just make sure that you isolate these wires properly. You can use a Tessa tape, fabric cloth tape. This is an automotive industrial grade tape for isolating. This is how I have isolated the wire so that it doesn't short circuit. Now you need to put this cover on that. It's an easy thing. You just need to slide it. Once you slide it, it has a tab which will lock in its place. Before you connect the wires to the BCM and unplug the BCM, you need to disconnect the battery. This is my old BCM. As you can see, it's an 087S. This is a BCM high, doesn't support automatic headlights and other features. And this is my new BCM 090D. This one supports automatic headlights, fatigue driver alert, and other things. PBMS, direct TBMS. As you can see, I have taken the wire from here and I've taken it over the steering column, and it's near this connector. Now I need to unconnect these connectors. You need to press this tab and then push it up, and it will come automatically out. automatically out. As you can see, I've taken both the connectors out. Now I need to remove the BCM. Now I need to find this, connect this new CAN lines to the white connector to the pin numbers 54 and 57. I'll just find it and I'll show it to you. I have connected the CAN wires to the BCM white connector. Now I'll be connecting I'll be installing the BCM. So I've connected the BCM. Now I'll be connecting the instrument cluster, and then I'll be starting the car for the first time after the BCM swap. I've connected the instrument cluster also. Now I'll be connecting the battery terminal. Now as you can see, the remote is not working, so I'll need to do the adaptations for the remote. For that I'll need to connect my VCDS. As you can see, I have changed the instrument cluster also. The procedure is the same. You need to remove this panel and this panel and just need to swap it, and you need to do an equalizer coding, which I had done it from the Volkswagen Fellow. The difference between both the instrument cluster I'll be showing it to the next video. Now once you have done the autoscan, you'll get a lot of errors, so you need to go to CAN gateway, and select the installation list as per your previous BCM and the coding. So engine, auto trans, ABS, steering angle, auto havac, airbags, immobilizer, steering assist, and then radio, once you go in adaptations, select channel number 99 and then read. This is the factory mode. If it's 1, please turn it to 0 so that it's off. then you'll have to do all the other necessary things. Then go to remote control adaptations. Since I've already done it, I'll just tell you how to do it. So the current value is 0. You just do it 1, and since my car already has 1 key, it's not showing test. When you do it, it will show test. Then when you press the test button, press your key fob and you'll get an acknowledgement, and then after that check whether you're unlocking and locking is working with the key fob or not. And after this you are done with it. In the next video I'll be showing you how to do the wiring for automatic headlights and how to connect the headlights to the BCM. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, please press like and subscribe to the channel.